And storm damage is becoming clear in parts of North Tulsa. Leighton Leatherman with our sister station in Tulsa has more on how neighbors and volunteers are responding.
In North Tulsa, the damage from last night's storm is still visible. Trees crashed into homes, roofing material is scattered through neighborhoods, and some businesses lost large sections of their roofs. One neighbor showed us a home where a tree crashed through a window and a room where a family with a newborn baby usually spends their evenings.
His front window with his board up right there got smashed through in a storm, and usually they read bedtime stories to their newborn baby in there, and surprisingly they weren't in there at that time, and thank the Lord for that. And yeah, that's totally toast. And if we go into his backyard, his trampoline's 15 feet up in the air, and so is his fence caught up in trees.
Neighbors say seeing the damage left many people shaken, but also thankful.
It's amazing. No one died or got hurt. I think they were a little bit emotional when they were all here together, but I think they're all happy that they were safe. Lots of people came here, cleaned. I was surprised on how many Christians in different churches were out here helping. Ministry work were out here. I just asked a lot of people, and a lot of people were out here just to help.
By midday, volunteers from across Tulsa started showing up. Church groups, nonprofits, and neighbors all pitching in. Angela Steele with Delta Sigma Theta sorority says she put out a call for help and was surprised by how many people were already here.
Got here around noon today, and it was people everywhere already, and it was just such a beautiful sight to be able to see so many of the community out helping their neighbors, whether we live in the area or not.
Steele says even after big debris was cleared, there was still dangerous work to do.
I have never seen so many like shingles, and the thing I've been doing at this last bit was just trying to sweep up nails, because I just feel like no one needs to worry about a broken car window, a messed up roof, and a flat tire. Emergency
officials also warn people to be careful walking through debris fields where nails, broken wood, and sharp metal can be hidden among the damage. Volunteers say many people are doing what they can, even if it's just helping with smaller tasks.
Most of the people out here were volunteers, like not doing any of these things by profession, but just for the love of their Tulsa neighbor.